you're the nutritional scientist. Let's get into our product, starting with StemEnhance. What does StemEnhance do and why is it so important or beneficial for people?
Right. So StemEnhance, obviously the flagship product, that's where we plant our flag, that's where we hang our hat, if you like. In the most basic way I can sort of muster, what it does is it is a substance, well, the active ingredient is a substance that causes a protein chain that holds your adult stem cells bound to the tree, if you like, of your bone marrow structure. So you've got all these adult stem cells in your bone marrow, and they're ready to go, but they can't escape until they're released. They're kind of tethered by this protein chain, and the protein is called L-Selectin. The active ingredient in the AFA that does its thing when you consume our product is an L-Selectin ligator. It is like a pair of scissors for that protein chain. It cuts it, basically, and it allows those stem cells to be released from the bone marrow, and then they enter the bloodstream. And then once they've got into the bloodstream, there's all sorts of, I'm loath to use the word magic, Ian, but they do magic in the human body. They really do. Those that don't understand adult stem cells fully, we're hoping after this discussion that I'll be able to add something to your understanding of that you possibly didn't necessarily have beforehand. And if I do my job remotely well this afternoon, my time, you'll all probably go away from here going, wow, I didn't know that about stem cells. So stick around.